Hi everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can repurpose your YouTube videos on social media, meaning creating short form videos like Reels, Shorts, and then creating blogs, and also just text-based posts like on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button and like this video. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to film your video through any other platforms, but I prefer Descript because I can just edit those short form videos and vlog and any other text-based post through Descript without going to any other platforms. So if you are a small business owner or freelancer or agency owner, I highly recommend using this platform to generate lots of content creation for yourself. So first of all, you're gonna film your video through Descript or any other platform, okay? Something like this I'm doing right now. So you can see it's just like black images, like copywriting like this. From there, you're gonna go to this action and then click Ask AI. And from there, you're gonna see the blog post. Click, and then you're gonna see draft a blog post based on this script. Make sure to include a title, write out the full body of the blog post, and include headers if necessary. So this is the prompt that this script generated. So you're gonna use this one, and then you're gonna get just the full blog copy based on your whole script that you filmed through this Descript. You can also do this through GPT for sure. So this is my script here, and then I put the same prompt so that I can get the blog copy here. So they generate like the headline here, and the intro, and then the blog, and also the conclusion. So this is really great way to generate your blog post and also many other things. For example, through ChatGPT, you can even create the title, description, and then the summary, and also timestamps. But timestamps are not really accurate because they don't know which minute I talked about the UPT or Q letter, okay? So you can actually generate once again from Descript by clicking Ask AI, and then go to YouTube description and draft a YouTube style description for this. So you can generate YouTube style description for this, and then you can add more copywriting like timestamp and title and any other summary that you want to generate from Descript. And then from there, you need to optimize your title for YouTube. For example, you can actually copy this and paste into on Google and see how many relevant keywords that I'm using, how many popular words that I'm using. Just you can go through all of the titles here once again, see my title is fully optimized for YouTube title because YouTube is from Google. So this system will be similar to YouTube as well. And also you can check out by searching those titles like this and then see how many relevant keywords I'm using. Once again, you can check out by going through those titles like this. This is just basic steps you can follow. If you want to follow more thorough version, you can utilize the VIDIQ and then also TubeBuddy or any other SEO tools that you are using. And then if you want to create short form videos through Descript, you can actually click on new composition here and then go to here and then copy this and then paste it here. And you can adjust the ratio to portrait, and then you can make it bigger or smaller. You can just pick on what's the important part for your short form videos because it's gonna be just less than 1 minute, you know. And you can even add the caption by clicking the caption here. Yeah, that's it. And also don't forget to create the hashtags and tags. But for tags, I highly recommend using VIDIQ or TubeBuddy. For uploading those short form videos or text type of post, I highly recommend using Metricool. This is my favorite. I'm using this for free, by the way. So there's kind of limitation that I can use, but if you just purchase this subscription, I bet this is really good option for you to begin with. You can select just Reels type of post or story post or TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You can just upload them at the same time without going to the native scheduling. That's most of it. I hope it was helpful for you. And if you have any questions about relating to creating your content, feel free to leave a comment below. Yeah, I'll simply answer your questions. Bye for now.